Okay, so I got one of the requirement regarding the language learning landing page. Right, so it is basically JLPT examination related product, and they have like an apps, and they also provide language coaching. So they wanted this particular landing page. Right, so I'll be trying to build this with Lovable. So here we can see build the landing page or apps and coaching. Right here, the landing page has to focus on apps, which are basically flashcard apps, or say particular grammar list. Then we can also have kanji list. Then and also for right, and we can also provide it with the video, which can be used as hero element in landing page. Right, so for that I will have to give it a link. So here you can see I went to pixels and then check the video section. So for that particular product video I selected this. Right, so I will copy this and refer to video for page here. Right, so we added that part as well, so this is more accurate. Apart from that, you can also try others, but for Japanese language I think that was the closest one with better resolution. This one is more like 1:1 or those Instagram level videos, so I didn't pick that. Now there are other options as well, so choose what works. Right, so here you can see here is another one. So we have like multiple such options. You can pick from that. Okay, so the goal is basically the landing page is made for the flashcard app. Right, so we'll be making this. You can also have some of the image suggestion, but I don't have any particular landing page in mind for this particular example. So I'll be running this. Let's see what sort of recommendations come in. We'll push through based on that. Now one more thing is I can publish this particular into Netlify just in case to test the landing page. Right, so as you can see it is thinking over this and it is telling you that it will create a landing page for the LPT apps coaching with Japanese inspired design. Right, so hopefully it will also take the video from the link that we have given, so that it will be able to use that within hero element of the page. Once it fetches and builds the rest of the page, you will be able to see what it has created. I'm trying to make this as a landing page and not entire site for the very reason I have very limited context, which is the landing page for these apps. So I'll be just adding one app after another every time a new app is released by the client. Right, so just single page. Okay, as you can see, the moment it stops processing, it will also give you some sort of sound. Right, so let me just try try to close this. Right now the sidebar is also closed. You can view this in full. Right now here you see created this particular landing page, and will show you start learning free or view our apps. Also created these pages which is not necessary, but I suppose they created within the single landing page. Right, so if you scroll you will see that they are adding this particular context with the app. So we have like one app, Grammar, then Kanji, then our academy. So it will point to the coaching and services, and these two being the app. Right, so they will also tell you about the SRS, which is spaced repetition system. Right, so it picked up on its own. I didn't mention it anywhere. Right, adaptive learning and stuff. So that is part of the app, but I didn't mention it, and neither does client. Right, in this particular part it managed to add it on its own. So if I want to change that, I will have to add it in the prompt and change that particular part. Now if I scroll, you can see it has also created the footer with the respective social media links and other sections. So it ignored the video part actually. I suppose for some reason it only picked the initial one frame. Right, but it managed to create the landing page with just single prompt. So one short prompt created this. Right, so Lovable can create landing pages, and you can give it video or images or reference to build. It will usually pick on its own, considering that is an AI.